You are walking past the printer and spot this: a USB flash drive sitting on the tray, clearly labeled as containing highly sensitive payroll data. It looks harmless, it looks important. The question is, would you plug it into your computer? Attackers intentionally leave infected drives in parking lots, break rooms, and public corporate spaces. They rely on your natural curiosity to do their work for them. This diagram illustrates what happens the moment that drive connects. A single infected USB can automatically deploy invisible threats like ransomware, malware, and data stealing tools directly into the background of your system. We will walk through the exact physical steps required to safely handle a found USB and the immediate damage control protocol if you have already plugged one in by mistake. Mastering these specific procedures ensures you can protect the entire company network instead of accidentally compromising it. Step number 1 is shifting your mindset. If you do not recognize the removable media, you must immediately categorize it as a potential social engineering trap rather than a lost item. Do not trust physical labels. Attackers write tempting or urgent titles on these drives, specifically to bypass your logical security training. You do not have to open a folder to trigger an attack. Merely inserting the device into the port gives malicious code the access it needs to execute. Do not hand the drive to a colleague. Do not test it on a spare computer. These actions only spread the digital risk laterally across your organization. Because visual inspection can never verify digital safety, all unknown removable media must be treated as hostile by default. Now let us review the standard operating procedure for a USB drive that you find untouched in a public area. Notice this layout. Do not connect the device to anything. Pick it up and place it into a secure container, like a standard manila envelope. Securing the device physically ensures it is not accidentally picked up by another unaware employee who might plug it in. Strict physical isolation of the device is the only way to guarantee the prevention of digital contamination. If curiosity won out and you have already plugged the unknown device into your machine, you need to execute immediate damage control. First, immediately pull your hands away from the mouse and keyboard. You must leave the workstation completely frozen. Do not open any folders, do not click on file names, and do not copy or delete anything. Resist the panic response. Do not rapidly unplug the device or attempt to cover up the mistake out of fear. Abruptly pulling the drive can corrupt security logs or trigger secondary malware actions. By freezing all activity immediately, you contain the blast radius. This stops further damage and preserves a stable environment for the security team to investigate. Your final step is to immediately contact the IT or security help desk via a phone call or a physical visit to declare the incident. Tell the help desk exactly where you found the drive, confirm that it was plugged in, and provide the exact time the incident occurred. Do not let fear delay your response. Organizations operate on a no-blame culture for reporting. The security team is there to fix the problem, not punish you. This network map shows how IT uses your report. They instantly isolate your specific workstation, putting up a thick protective barrier that locks down network access. This isolation gives IT time to scan for active threats and safely neutralize the device. Rapid, honest reporting is the single most effective tool you have for protecting the entire organization from a localized human error. When you follow these steps, IT staff safely collects the physical envelope and the network remains secure. This infographic outlines your final mental checklist for handling removable media. Stop what you're doing, don't open the files, report the device immediately. Organizational security is a collective effort. Knowing how to handle these physical traps safely protects everyone's data and livelihood. An unknown USB represents an unknown risk, but quick and correct action completely neutralizes the threat, keeping the workplace secure.